Franklin Templeton India shuts down 6 of its debt funds. 6 debt funds have been shut down. My friend, this is what nightmares look like. Hi guys, my name is Harsh Goyla and I'm an investor, trainer and mentor in stock markets. Now, before starting the video, if you are someone who's not already a subscriber, then if you want this kind of type of content, then don't be afraid to help us out by clicking the subscribe button first. Now, moving ahead. Franklin Templeton India shuts down 6 of its debt funds. Now, let's know सबसे पहले 6 debt funds थे कौन से. First was the Franklin India Low Duration Fund. It had an invested corpus of about 2,700 crores. Second, Franklin India Dynamic Accrual Fund. It had a corpus of 3,100 crores. Third, Franklin India Credit Risk Fund. It had a corpus of around 4,400 crores. Then, Franklin India Short Term Insurance Plan. It had a corpus of 7,000 crores. Then, Franklin India Ultra Short Bond Fund. It had a corpus of 11,000 crores. And finally, Franklin India Income Opportunities Fund, which had a corpus of 2,500 crores. So if you see, all these funds put together, and some funds mein ek saath na, they had an approximately invested amount of 30,000 crores, of rupees 30,000 crores. Now, after shutting down these debt funds, the statement that has come out by Franklin is that if and when there is a recovery, it will flow to investors. Dost, if and when. Iska matlab, they are not guaranteeing on any time frame and they are not guaranteeing if you will get your amount back or not. Because of which there will be no fresh issue of these debt funds, of these specific 6 specific debt funds. Mein you cannot buy a unit now, and if you have a unit, you cannot redeem them now. Now, what does this mean? To be honest, a lot of people can look at this in a lot of different ways. Now, if you ask me personally, मेरा क्या opinion है? मेरे हिसाब से Franklin ने has shut down these funds because Franklin Templeton India is not expecting these companies to pay back because of the current situation, the current shutdown situation, the current economic crisis, like all of us are aware about. Franklin is not expecting that these companies will pay back, तो इसलिए उन्होंने shut down कर दिया. Now let's understand what was common in these debt funds. The common thing in these debt funds that they were high yield and low credit rated companies. These debt funds were designed to get you high yield, and high yield कैसे मिलेगा? When your money is invested or your money has been put to buy bonds and debentures of B grade companies. That is why आपको तभी high yield मिल पाएगा. In debt fund, ये debt है, that means bonds and debentures, right? So this fund is designed that way. To get a high yield, you will have to put your money in debt of B grade companies, right? And this is simple risk reward ratio, guys. Higher risk, higher reward. Lower risk, lower reward. Now, if you want high risk, high reward, you need to take high risk, and that is why money was put into B grade companies. These funds were designed in such a way itself. Now, what does this mean? What impact will this have on us? First, it is a systemic failure. What is a systemic failure? A systemic failure is in which, because of this, if you have a debt fund with ICICI or HDFC or Reliance or any other financial house, will you be scared? Yes. Now, if all of us or even 20% of us investors, हम जाते हैं कि भाई हमारे पैसे वापस कर दो, we want a redemption. Do you think any mutual fund house can afford that? No. So yes, because of this, a lot of pressure will come onto other mutual fund houses also. Now, the other aspect of this is banking. Now, if Franklin is not a small financial house by any means, right? Now, if people at Franklin are feeling that because the current economic shutdown, these companies will not be able to pay their debt, इसका मतलब अगर debt pay नहीं कर पाए तो क्या bank loans pay कर देंगे? नहीं. Bank loans pay नहीं करेंगे तो where will the NPS go? They will go even higher. So the banking system, which is already weak of our economy, of the Indian economy as of this point, उस पर और pressure आ जाएगा. तो अब देख लो कैसे सिस्टमिक फेलियर होगा ऑफ म्यूचुअल फंड हाउसेस एंड बैंकिंग सेक्टर, राइट? दिस कैन बी द इम्पैक्ट. Why does this happen you say? Because ये प्रॉब्लम सिर्फ फ्रैंकलिन में ही है दोस्त. ये इसलिए होता है बिकॉज स्टॉक मार्केट हैज अ डोमिनो इफेक्ट. I had made a video on domino effect. Press the I button and watch that video after this to understand this better. Domino effect. So that domino effect will come to other mutual fund houses also and other banks also. ये हर जगह फैलेगा. फिर then impact number 2, it will affect the markets. Of course, it is going to affect the markets in a very negative way because again आपका sentiment बहुत खराब होगा. Now these are the impacts that will affect you. Now a lot of you have been mailing me free guidance. A lot of you have been commenting down below and you have been telling me to make a video on this and you have been saying, Harsh, dekha, these corporations are frauds. They are bloody frauds. Dost, I don't agree with this. These funds were designed in such a way जहाँ पे an investor who's put his money into these funds will take high risk for high reward. Now the problem is not with these companies, not with these big financial houses. The problem, my friend, is in our society. It is with us. Problem दोस्त ये है that if you want to invest, हम सबको आ जाता है कि नहीं यार तो चलो we are earning decent amount and we should invest a little. So what do people do and what do Indians do? पापा मम्मी चाचा मामा जिसने भी एडवाइस दी, बेटा डेट फंड ले लो. ठीक है सर, आप डेट फंड खरीदने पहुंच जाओगे. यू विल गो टू द कंपनी विदाउट सीइंग एनीथिंग, यू विल टॉक टू द सेल्स पर्सन एंड यू विल बाय दैट डेट फंड विच इज गिविंग यू द हाईएस्ट रिटर्न. सिंपल, और कुछ नहीं देखते हम. एंड वी आर डिपेंडिंग दैट अ सेल्समैन इज गोइंग टू टेक केयर ऑफ आवर इंटरेस्ट. अ सेल्समैन, उसका इंटरेस्ट कुछ और ही है, वो तो आपको फंड बेचेगा ही बेचेगा. So it is very important, guys, that when you buy these kind of funds, even when you're investing in debt funds, which are assumed to be very safe, you should know about it. And you can't depend on some YouTube video and you cannot depend on some salesman to guide you. ऐसा नहीं होगा. And you cannot give that onus कि नहीं, my father told me this or my mama advised me this, my friend advised me this, it's his fault. You cannot. It's your money. It is your financial future. Please take that grip in your hand. Let this be a lesson to all of us. That if you're planning to invest in mutual funds or if you're already investing in mutual funds, debt funds, whatever, it is very necessary to know about this. दोस्त, आप लाइफ में कुछ भी करोगे ना, पैसे से आपका ताल्लुक रहेगा ही रहेगा. In our irresistible stock market architecture program, whether investment is your part-time business or your full-time business, and trust me, it is your business. Is your part-time or full-time? You should know everything about it. A good businessman क्या होता है? A good businessman is that who knows everything but does nothing. Or investor is the same thing. You should know everything, but you should do nothing. You should just buy the stocks. That's it. Right? So please get educated, learn about this, learn about the fact कि आपकी needs क्या है, requirements क्या है, and then you buy a fund accordingly. Right? Let this be a lesson to all of us. Well, that is it for today. Give a like button if you like such kind of videos so that I know कि आपको ऐसा content अच्छा लगता है, तो I'll give you more content on these current topics. Then नीचे कमेंट करो, मुझे बताओ, how do you think this is going to affect the economy? Do you think it's Franklin's fault? Do you think it's the customer's fault? Do you think other mutual fund houses are going to be in problem? Do you think this is till what extent this is going to affect the stock markets? नीचे कमेंट करो, मुझे बताओ what are your opinions on it so that even I can read it and even I can add to it. Right? Well, that's it for today. वीडियो को लाइक करना, शेयर करना, कमेंट करना, सब्सक्राइब करना. I'll see you next time. Till then, this is Gola School of Finance, financially empowered.